Welcome back to Live Time Travel. I'm Alex, and in today's video we're absolutely thrilled and so excited we've reached 1,000 subscribers and we're celebrating with this vintage 2023 Tropicana orange juice. Lovely. It's all we could afford after all those reviews. Later in the episode, having reached 1,000 subscribers, we'll be announcing which lucky person who subscribed will receive a mini kit from our travels. We're absolutely thrilled, having started the channel back in December 2022. Let's have a look back at some of the incredible journeys we've made. Deep in our hearts, we love flying with Cathay Pacific. In fact, we're travelling on the 777 in first class later this year, and we've had a few fun journeys on board the Airbus A380. The company is a lovely fusion of East meets West, not to mention some of the best lounges in the world. The dim sum, the decor, the low ambient lighting, and of course, the bathtub in the first class lounge. We absolutely love Cathay Delights. And what was our favourite trip so far? It has to be first class on board Emirates A380 from Bangkok to Hong Kong. What an incredible deal we found. And now for something a little bit more down to earth. If you haven't seen the video, please check it out. But this was one of the most incredible journeys we've made, which was with Ryanair from Glasgow to Barra, landing on a beach. God, was it noisy inside, but we had some incredible views. Qatar. We have to discuss Qatar. So next year we're flying the Q Suite with Qatar to Australia. We're both so excited for this trip. And that's over 14 hours from Doha to Melbourne before returning on the A380. We got things started by flying on the first day of operations on Qatar's Boeing 787 from Birmingham. This was a nice reminder of the older product. But we also got to check out the Orchard, which is their brand new and incredible indoor garden, and the first class lounge with the only indoor airport lounge fountain from floor to ceiling. We may have also bought a model of the A380. And speaking of which, if they don't downgrade me, and I'm crossing all my fingers they don't, I'll be travelling on the A380 with Qatar in November in first class to Bangkok. I simply cannot wait. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. As a massive thank you to everyone who subscribed, liked and watched all our content, we're giving away a mini kit to one lucky subscriber. And we're really happy to announce that EWHX Productions will be the receiver of this beautiful British Airways leather and mini kit. Congratulations. As you imagine, with all the travelling, we have quite a few mini kits, so we're doing this again in the future. And what exciting journeys do we have coming up? Roll the montage.